Good morning everybody. Yesterday we arrived at Graskop. We went shopping for groceries and ate at a restaurant. Today we are going to go and watch the waterfalls. We are going south of Graskop and we are going to watch waterfalls. So I'm going to see you guys at the car. Okay, we are on our way to National Bridge Arch. Okay guys, we are here and look how nice this place looks. Okay guys, now we are on our way to Mac Falls. We just arrived at Mac Falls and we are going to go and hike a little bit. At this point, we can start to hear the waterfall. So we have the drone here and I'm going to show you guys a few aerial shots. Guys, we are at the waterfall and look how pretty it looks. Okay guys, we are at the Mac pools. Okay guys, we are at the Mac pools and look how beautiful it looks like. I'm going to show you guys a little bit around with the GoPro. Look how beautiful Mac Pools was. Come with me and come and look where we're going next. We are at Lone Creek Falls and come with me, I will show you guys a little bit around. We are almost there guys, come with me. Guys, we are here, look how beautiful it is. Okay guys, we are here, look how pretty it looks. Okay guys, we are at the Horseshoe Falls. Maybe the falls look like a horseshoe. Come with me and I will show you guys. So guys, it does look like a horseshoe, but not very much. Okay, we are filling up diesel here at engine. We are going to Sabi Falls. See you guys here, they're at Sabi Falls. Just outside Sabi town, we see Sabi Falls. Okay guys, we just arrived at home at Graskop and now we are going to braai and sleep tight. We will see you guys tomorrow at north of Graskop.